Welcome back. In this video I'm solving Leetcode problem 2115. Find all possible recipes from given supplies. Okay, so we have information about n different recipes and we are given a string array recipes and a 2D string array ingredients. The ith recipe has the name recipes of I, and you can create it if you have all the needed ingredients from ingredients of I. Ingredients to a recipe may need to be created from other recipes. In example, ingredient of I may contain a string that is in recipes. You are also given a string array supplies containing all the ingredients that you initially have, and you have an infinite supply of them. Return a list of all the recipes that you can create. You may return the answer in any order. Okay, so we have bread, yeast, flour, supplies, yeast, flour, corn, and we add yeast, flour, meat. Yeast and flour makes bread, so yeast, flour, meat, bread. And sandwich with bread meat. Okay, so constraints tells us that we can have pretty bad complexity, but let's go this up. So my approach would be to check okay, so we need to go through the recipes and check if we have all the necessary ingredients to build them. And each time if we find in one pass all the ingredients, we find all the ingredients for some recipe in supply, we add that recipe to supply, and we do it all the time. So that would be the logic. So how do we do it? So flag is equal to true. Also answer. So while flag, this will tell us that we found some, we added something to supplies essentially. So for recipe in recipes, or let's say for I in range length of recipes, so if okay, but these are lists, since yeah, okay, I will transfer this. So set supplies is equal to set of supplies. So for I in range on recipes, okay, if let's go this found Ryan range on recipes. I need to have a flag that will be equal to false, and ingredients in for ingredients in, or actually okay, yeah, I can do it this way. So for ingredients in ingredients of I, fly will be true, and yeah, never mind, same thing. So if ingredient, let's call it ingredient in sub, but not in sub, flag is equal to false, Let me think about it. So, well, it's found. I search for recipes. If no, if flag is equal, if it's flag, if it's true, then have found. But if it's not, I'm going to be distracted. So if we found new one, we initialize it back to false and check all the recipes for, so all indexes of recipes. We'll see for if any supply is not there, we put false here, but if any flags stay true, that means we found all the recipes for particular, all the supplies for particular recipe. Okay, if you're not in supply, flag false, if flag found true. Okay, and this will okay, and if it's found, I append recipes of I. This seems to me that's all there is. Let's see. So while found is false, Ryan range flag is true. Okay, I haven't increased or what? Foreign range on recipes. Or how is this possible? So I'm in an infinite loop here. I say found is well found is false. Okay, so what is this infinite loop? So I go here. But I will always find it. Okay, for iron range learn recipes. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we need to check if we have already or maybe I can do it a little bit more elegantly. So if flag found is equal true, maybe I put this as a set, answer add this, if flag and recipes of I not in answer, then found true, and I add it and I return list answer. Okay. Wait a minute. So, what am I missing? I will only have found true if okay. It's crazy. Why am I missing so much? So if ingredient not in supply, okay, I have to add to answer, but I also have to add to supplies. Crazy. So sup set sup add maybe I could get rid of this, but never mind. Okay, and it works now. So I messed it up a bit, but seems all good now. Let's see if we can like remove something. So I think this looks solid. So let's get to the time and space complexity. It's still morning here, so I apologize for being sloppy. So time complexity, we have this while loop and two inner for loops. So in a worst case, it's of n cubed. And space complexity is just of n for the answer, and that's it. Answer and set supplies. Okay, I hope everything made sense. Thank you for following in this one, and see you in the next one.